how to link or embed a YouTube video into a Word document. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up the simple steps in order to do so. So the first that you can just go ahead and open up your Word document, just go ahead and open up your file in which you would like to embed a YouTube video. For example, this one right here, so you may just go ahead and type in the text first and you may just go ahead and select in which you would like to embed the link. Once that is done, what you can do is you can go ahead and look out for the insert tab at the top. Click on it and then look for online videos or links option. So first of all, let's head over to the online videos section. So just go ahead and click on online videos. After that, you need to paste the URL. So you may just go ahead and copy the URL from your YouTube account and just go ahead and paste it in right here in the section like this. And it will load your video for preview to confirm that that is the video that you would like to paste. So just go ahead and click on insert. And once that is done, it will be inserted like this on your Word document. So this is one of the method you can apply up, but if you want to embed it into a Word, what you can do is you can head over to Insert tab again and select links and click on link and go over to Browse Pages and paste the link of the YouTube in this address section. The one we just copied earlier. Just go ahead and paste it right here and click on OK. And you need to select up a word for that before doing that. For example, just go ahead and select one of the word and it will turn into blue, which means a link has been added like this. So when you head over, you should be finding the link. So this is it. You may follow up the same process in order to link or embed a YouTube video into a Word document. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another one.